Rejection stings. Whether it's a job, a relationship, a dream, or even an idea, it hits you in the gut. It makes you question your worth. But what if I told you? Rejection isn't a stop sign. It's a redirection. In this video, I'll show you how to turn that no into the biggest yes of your life. Picture this. A young man walks out of an interview room, face blank, shoulders heavy. He gave his best. But again, the email arrives. "We regret to inform you." He stares at the screen, silent. That moment, we've all lived it in some form. But here's the truth, what he does next, that defines the rest of his story. Neuroscience shows that rejection activates the same brain pathways as physical pain. That "why me" moment, it's not weakness, it's wiring. We're tribal beings. Thousands of years ago, rejection from the tribe meant danger. Today it just feels like failure, but failure isn't fatal, it's feedback. Rejection is not about your value. It's about fit, timing, and perspective. Instead of thinking, "I wasn't good enough," try, "This wasn't meant for me yet. What can I learn?" This simple reframe can transform pain into power. And it's not just motivational fluff, this is psychology-backed. People who practice reframing show higher emotional resilience and better long-term outcomes. Let me give you a framework that works every time. It's called A.C.T. Acknowledge. Feel it. Don't suppress the sting. Journal it. Speak it. Sit with it. Convert. Shift your lens. Ask, what did I gain? Growth? Clarity? A stronger filter for what I truly want? Take action. Take the next small step. Reapply, rebuild, reinvent, but move forward. Remember, the goal is not to avoid rejection. It's to respond better every single time. J.K. Rowling was rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter got picked. Kicked out of Apple, Steve Jobs didn't quit. He turned rejection into revolution by building Pixar and changing animation forever with Toy Story. From punching bus tickets to ruling the silver screen, Rajnikanth turned every rejection into a roar, becoming the megastar of Indian cinema. Every no sharpened their yes. They didn't shrink. They rose. The next time rejection hits, pause and do 3 things. Write down the lesson. Set a micro goal for the next 3 days. Reward yourself for trying again. Rebuilding confidence is not about massive wins. It's about small wins, stacked day after day. Rejection is not the end. It's a reroute. Every no contains a seed of redirection, if you're willing to look. At Mythos Mind, we explore these inner battles and transform them into power. Subscribe now. And in the next video, we'll ask a deeper question. Who are you really? See you there.